What if software companies could install their tools directly inside a client's system? No risky data transfers, no complex re-engineering, just seamless deployment. That's exactly what Tensor9 is making possible, and it could change how enterprise software works forever. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're interested in how AI and digital twins are transforming enterprise tech. Tensor9 is helping software vendors bypass traditional SaaS limitations by allowing them to deploy their software directly into a customer's tech stack, no matter the setup. Whether it's in the cloud, on bare metal servers, or hybrid environments, Tensor9 makes the deployment process smooth and secure. Here's how it works. Tensor9 takes the software vendor's code and converts it into a format that can run in the customer's environment. Then it creates a digital twin, a miniature model of the deployed software. This twin lets vendors monitor performance, spot issues, and fix bugs remotely without ever needing access to the customer's data. CEO and co-founder Michael Tenpao says this approach stands apart from solutions like Octopus Deploy or Nuon. With traditional methods, software is often thrown over the wall into the customer's system with limited visibility. But with Tensor9, vendors can actually see what's happening in real time, log in, and resolve issues as if the software were in their own environment. The timing couldn't be better. Enterprises are eager to adopt AI but are blocked by strict data compliance rules. For instance, imagine asking JP Morgan to hand over 6 petabytes of sensitive data for an AI search layer. There's no chance that's happening. Tensor9 eliminates that risk by allowing AI tools to run locally, within the customer's secure environment. Tenpao, who previously worked as an engineer at AWS, stumbled on the idea while exploring a different startup concept around cybersecurity compliance. After dozens of customer calls, he discovered the real need: software that just runs natively in the customer's own infrastructure, without compromise. Founded in 2024, Tensor9 started by serving voice AI vendors and now supports industries like enterprise search, databases, and data management. Clients include AI companies like 11x, Retail AI, and Dyna AI. The company bootstrapped its way through the first year and recently raised $4 million in seed funding, led by Wing VC with participation from Level Up Ventures, Model Ventures, Devang Sachdev, and Envy Angels, an angel group of ex-NVIDIA employees. Now, the company is investing in hiring and expanding its tech to serve even more verticals. Tenpao believes we're entering a new phase of software infrastructure, where apps can live and run exactly where they're needed, blending the best of cloud and on-premise systems. Watch the video in the corner to learn how another startup is reshaping AI infrastructure behind the scenes.